What's up, Clip Squad? Today we're going to be running to the train station, and at least it's not hot like the last video that I did. It is the same day though. I don't know how it gets from not hot to this cool, but I'm digging it. I could usually run so far, but today's awesome. First it was so hot, now it's so normal. And the sun's not even out. That's why it's so good. Oh my god. But my last video was so damn hot. Woo! Woo! Try to keep that heart rate up. What? Oh shit. Try to keep that heart rate up. Y'all know what I'm saying? I got this. I'm still getting it, guys. Always love running like this, y'all. Woo! This will get you tired. You will go to sleep like not like a damn baby. Like that. I did this last night. I was up there. Almost there. Almost there. I'm here, guys. Well, almost there. I'm here, guys. Oh, fuck. I'm here. Alright, we're leaving. So today is going extremely well, and right now I'm about to take the long way home. No shortcuts. Oh shit, tripping and shit. Alright. This is awesome. I'm gonna go all the way around the block, no shortcuts whatsoever, and we're gonna see how this goes. It's going awesome so far. We got this. Walk break, just for a second, I swear. Y'all thought I was playing when I said just for a second? No! No! I'm gonna push my way through this. I can do it, because I know I can. I ran way longer than this. This is nuts. This is nothing at all. That's the shortcut that I usually take. Not doing that today, right now. Oh my God. I can do this. Another break for a second. Woo. One more break for a second. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, I think I'm ready. Woo. That's more like 20 seconds, but don't matter, right? Okay, 5 seconds. Today was a long day. I'm telling you guys, like, first I went rollerblading to the train station, and then secondly I ran to the train station. I did 2 videos in one day. I was about to do 3. I was about to do a reaction, but I said no, it's not happening. It's not happening. So this is the end of the vlog. If you guys like this vlog, please like, subscribe, and it's up to you. You know what to do. It was awesome hanging out with you, and see you in the next vlog.